Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Julia and today we are going to talk about informal contractions. What are informal contractions? Have you ever heard some words like gonna, wanna, kinda, sorta, etc.? They are informal contractions. If you want to sound more like native speakers, understand native speakers more, you need informal contractions because mainly you can hear them in movies or in daily conversation or even see in some posts on Twitter. Let's now dive into this topic and discuss some of them. First of all, let's start with gonna. Gonna, it's like going to. We use going to when you talk about plans. For example, what are you gonna do with your life? I'm not gonna help you. She's gonna start studying English.
If you're never gonna see your husband, you might as well have a relationship with his money.
I'm gonna go put some clothes on.
In fact, from here on, you are gonna see a drastic distraction reduction.
Listen, I'm gonna go to the club, get my money, and go on straight to Grand Central.
Next one, gimme. Gimme, it's like give me. Give me your money. Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand?
Give me a cigarette.
Joe, give me a bit.
Give me a call.
Yeah, like, give me a boost, Scoob.
Gotta. Have got something. I've got a car. Have you got a gun?
We gotta run after it now.
Gotta go back to dating dumb guys from the gym.
I gotta take my pants off.
Kinda. Kind of. She's kinda cute. Are you kinda mad at me?
It's in my apartment, kinda have to. I was kinda hoping you'd go with me.
I mean, this is her 6th fight, and it's kind of showing, and I say that with respect.
Let me go. He didn't let me see her. Please, let me go abroad.
Let me see.
Let me see what you got there.
Let me see. Let me do it.
Want to. I wanna go home. I don't wanna see you anymore. Do you wanna watch TV?
I wanna make money.
What? If you want to fit in here, the first rule is know your losers.
Cass, I don't even think you want to have this baby, okay?
Ain't. Am not. I ain't sure. You ain't my boss.
Once this baby's born, you ain't going out again till that baby's in college.
Me!
I'm telling you right now, this tea right here ain't no joke, Lolo. 89, you ain't lost no weight.
Have to. I have to visit my parents today. I have to do my homework. I have to do my homework.
I have to talk to you.
Sooner or later, you're gonna have to fight.
Come on, V, you have to admit it's a little bit dark him having to go to mum and dad with the begging bowl.
I'm trying to say that things in this city don't have to be this way.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go to the little boy's room.
Must have. She must let us know about this. She must move to another country. She must have moved to another country.
My 6-year-old pea-sized brain thought what must have happened is I must have hit that ball so hard audibly when ball met bat. Well, you must have heard, ching!
Should have. Oh my God, you're wet. You should have taken an umbrella. You should have taken an umbrella.
They should have killed the fuck.
Because I don't want to see you because you hurt me. I don't want to study Chinese because I don't need it at all. I hate you because you betrayed me.
I'm with you because you're the only man around here not scared of them.
Yeah, well, you better take it back because the damn thing don't work.
Alright, you go and talk there because I'm knackered.
Used to. She isn't used to this place yet. I'm not used to driving on the bike. I'm not used to waking up early. She isn't used to having animals. She isn't used to have animals. Now let's try to check if you remember some of them. First of all, gonna. Going to. Wanna. Want to. Gimme. Give me. Let me. Let me. Kinda. Kind of. Sorta. Sort of. Used to. Used to. Musta. Must have. Shoulda. Should have. Cause. Because. Have to. Gotta. Got to. Now you can understand natives better and you can use this construction in your daily conversation. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment below. See ya!